I've got an advent calendar to share with you, and it's a Valentine's 7-day countdown by Lush, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Claire. I cannot wait to unbox this one. I saw it pop up online and I had to get it. It's a 7-day countdown to Valentine's Day, and it's all Valentine love themed. It costs £55, and even though we don't have a bath, and I believe there is 1 or 2 bath products in here, I don't care. My daughter is really excited as well. She's saying, Mum, if you don't want anything, please can I have it all? So she cannot wait to find out what's inside. So if you're interested in purchasing this for yourself or as a gift for a loved one, then as always you'll find details of it down below in my description. It comes with some stickers as well, which are pretty cute, aren't they? Never know what to do with stickers myself. What would you do with stickers? When I was a teenager, I'd stick stickers everywhere. On my books, pencil cases, bags, the lot. Not too sure what I do with them now. Maybe I'll ask my daughter. Maybe she'll be like, what are you on about, Mum? Stickers are fab. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. So it's long. My mouth, just the smell. The smell is so lovely. What's it say here? Wanna be yours? Yeah, wanna be yours. And here you go. All right then, starting off with day number 1. Oh my gosh. All right, look, can you see what's inside? Look. Woo! Oh, my floor's gonna be covered. When this arrived, it came in a massive box. Bearing in mind, it's not that big really, is it? It's quite small. It came in a ginormous box, and it was jam-packed full of these. And because it's small, it was at the bottom of the box. So to get it out, it meant that all of these went all over the place, and my dog went nuts. So yeah, so there's loads in here as well. It's a good idea, obviously, protection and things, but yeah, it causes a mess. Enough my, oh, look at this bath bomb, it's huge. There is a QR code. I'll scan that now. So I'll tell you a little bit more about it. But bath bombs are massive, aren't they? They're really huge. Oh, it just smells of sherbet. Oh my gosh, fruity sherbet. Oh, I really wish I had a bath. There's a little card and it tells you all about it. This is a Whispering Heart bath bomb. Whisper your heart's desire into this fruity bomb packed with soothing Epsom salts. Ah, maybe I could put this into my foot baths. I have a foot bath and I use it regularly. I love it. But it's massive though, isn't it, to put in a foot bath? Unless I just like hold it in until half of it's used and then take it out. I might do that. Epsom salts are really good for you. Oh, it just smells so amazing. Yeah, really nice and fruity. So that's day number 1. I'll just put it back in for now. Oh my gosh. Stay there, stay there. Right, day number 2 down here. Oh, we got a pot of something. Sex bomb. What is sex bomb? It's a body scrub. Unleash your inner sex bomb with heedy ylang ylang and lingering jasmine. Warning, may have people falling at your feet. Okay. I'm a bit confused. I'm going through it, and there's a sex bomb sugar scrub, jasmine ylang ylang and clary sage oils in this calming bath bomb will soon have you relaxed. You won't be able to see it on there because the camera's not very good picking up on my phone, but it's literally a bath bomb, core sex bomb, and it's got the same ingredients. It's not a bath bomb, it's a body scrub. I'm happy about that. It smells like Snow Fairy. Huh? Is the smells just really overpowering me? I don't know. Look at it, look. It's not bad at all, I'm just confused. I think there is like a clary sage ylang ylang in there. It's got to be, but it's quite fruity as well. But it does smell like Snow Fairy, like number 1 as well. So I got a sex bomb body scrub there. Oh, day number 3. Look, look. What have we got? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. We've got a soap. It's cherries, I think, yeah. Look. Oh, I love soaps. Oh, it smells nice. It smells a little bit of furniture polish, but not in a horrible way. Cherry on top. It's a soap inspired by mouth-watering strawberry fruit sandwich recipes from Japan with a cherry twist. Yeah, it's definitely cherries. I could just carry on smelling. But yeah, we got a soap there. Day number 3. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Oh, it's falling apart. Do you know what? I'm just going to take the bath bomb out. It's already fallen, and look, a little bit of the heart is broken, so I'll just leave that there. I'll just take everything out. I was thinking put it all back in, make it all look all nice and tidy again, maybe film a reel with it for Instagram, but no, it's not looking that way, is it? So just take it out. All right then, look at this. This looks absolutely gorgeous. It just looks like food. Look, how gorgeous is that? Oh, I haven't even sniffed it yet. Oh, so nice. So nice. This is Strawberry Crumble. It's a Bubbleroon, a romantic offering of fair trade organic cocoa butter filling that softens, smooths and moisturises. So what is it? What do I do with it? Because I'm not familiar with a lot of Lush oh look, it's just like a cream in the middle. You put it under a tap in a bath, don't you? It is, isn't it? Oh, I suppose I could use it to have really nice soft feet. That is so lovely. Yeah, it smells really gorgeous. Right, I'll put it there. What are we on? Day number 5, down the bottom. We've got another tub. This is Rose Argan Body Conditioner. Pick the finest rose, absolute and rich Brazil nut oil entwined with cypress leaf and vanilla pod infusions. Okay, so we've got a body conditioner. It says here, Rose Argan Soap. Beautiful damask roses fragrance your skin while hand-churned shea butter lavishes your body in luxury. A little bit confused. Oh my gosh, the soap just looks stunning. It just looks like a slab of chocolate. It does look gorgeous. But yeah, it's a body conditioner. It's fine. It smells gorgeous. It's a body conditioner. I need to look into that a little bit more. Do I use it as like a cream in the shower? Oh, it says here, gather a luxurious handful and sweep all over the body, then gently rinse and pat dry for soft skin. Yeah, okay, I thought so. As opposed to like a body butter then. Day number 6 up the top here. Got another tub of Posh White Chocolate and Rose. It's a body wash. A classic Valentine's pairing of chocolate and roses, guaranteed to make your lover swoon. Perfect before hanky-panky with someone swanky. Okay, that sounds amazing. Well, I hate the smell of rose. I'm just thinking chocolate. A delicious rose and white chocolate scented body wash packed with aloe vera and glycerin for soft skin. Okay. That one is correct. Oh, look at it. It's got a rose on it. It's not your classic English rose smell, which I don't like. It smells a little bit of Turkish delight, which I don't like. Not really strong, but look, I just want to put my fingers right in there. We've got a body wash. And then lastly, day number 7, down here. Oh my God. Can you see what's happening? It's all falling to pieces here. And how beautiful is this? Look, this is a Valentine's special, I think, because I've seen it on their website. How gorgeous is that? It's a little envelope soap. Bath bomb. It's got to be a bath bomb, not soap. Unless you want to exfoliate your body like anything. It feels really rough. Yeah, they all have the same sort of smells. No distinct, just very fruity. But it's so cute. It's a bath bomb. Open your love letter in the bath and embrace the light, sweet and creamy strawberry sundae scent. Yeah, strawberry sherbet. That is so gorgeous, isn't it? So cute. So in the calendar, 7-day advent calendar, for £55, we've got 2 bath bombs. I've got a soap. I've got I can't remember, Bubbleroon, Strawberry Crumble, Then we've got a Sex Bomb Sugar Scrub, a Rose Argan Body Conditioner, and a Posh White Chocolate and Rose Body Wash. Just having a look at the prices if you were to buy them individually, because they're limited edition, new, especially for Valentine's. The Whispering Heart Bath Bomb cost you £6. The Love Heart Bath Bomb, £4. Posh White Chocolate and Rose Body Scrub from £11. The Cherry on Top Soap, £6. The Strawberry Crumble Bubbleroon, £8. Sex Bomb Sugar Scrub from £11. And I can't find the Rose Argan, the body conditioner. But yeah, that's just to give you an idea of what they would all cost individually. So my maths is not great, and I wasn't adding that up in my mind as I was going along. Yeah, I don't know whether it's worth buying it or not. But if my husband were to have bought me this for Valentine's Day, even though it's got 2 bath bombs in there and we don't have a bath, I would have been so chuffed. I do think it makes an amazing Valentine's gift for someone, definitely. Or as a bit of a treat for yourself. Very messy, opening it up. But yeah, look at the state of this. Yeah, I won't be doing any reels on Instagram. Never mind, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to buy one, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.